If your home has cold drafts in the winter, overheated rooms in the summer, or rising energy bills year-round, the culprit may be right in front of you: your windows and doors. Outdated or poorly installed openings can compromise your comfort, security, and energy efficiency. That's where BGV Construction makes all the difference. Specializing in premium window and door replacements, BGV Construction helps homeowners move from drafty and outdated to modern, efficient, and stylish, delivering noticeable improvements in performance, aesthetics, and value. The hidden costs of drafty windows and doors. Drafty windows and doors aren't just an inconvenience. They quietly drain your wallet and affect your quality of life. You may notice rising heating and cooling costs, cold spots in winter or hot, sun-exposed rooms in summer, difficulty opening or closing older units, outside noise creeping into your home, visible signs of wear, warping, or frame gaps. These issues add up over time, impacting your comfort, energy bills, and even your home's resale value. How BGV Construction turns the problem around. BGV Construction takes a comprehensive, expert-driven approach to replacing windows and doors. Their goal isn't just to swap out old parts. It's to upgrade your home's performance and visual appeal from the inside out. Here's how they do it. In-home consultation and tailored solution. Every home is different. BGV begins with a detailed consultation to assess your current doors and windows, learn about your goals, and recommend the best energy-efficient and design-forward solutions for your property. Whether you're looking to improve insulation, enhance curb appeal, or reduce noise, their team crafts a plan that fits your lifestyle and budget. High-quality, energy-efficient products. BGV partners with industry-leading brands known for their performance, durability, and energy-saving technologies. Their selection includes double and triple pane windows with low E coating, insulated entry doors with weather-sealed frames, sliding and French patio doors with energy-smart glass, fiberglass, vinyl, and composite materials built to withstand harsh weather. These products reduce thermal transfer, block UV rays, and create a more stable indoor environment year-round. Precision installation for long-term efficiency. Even the best window or door can underperform if it's not installed correctly. That's why BGV's certified installation team focuses on flawless, airtight fits that eliminate gaps and leaks. Their installers ensure proper flashing, sealing, and alignment, maximizing both insulation and longevity. The result? A dramatic reduction in energy waste, fewer maintenance headaches, and lasting peace of mind. Style that matches your home functionality is essential, but so is appearance. BGV Construction offers a wide variety of customizable styles, finishes, and frame colors to match your home's architecture. Whether you're modernizing your exterior or preserving a classic look, they help you find windows and doors that elevate your property's aesthetic appeal. Immediate comfort and long-term saving. Once your new windows and doors are installed, the benefits are almost immediate. A more comfortable indoor temperature, quieter rooms thanks to sound-reducing insulation, and lower monthly energy bills. enhanced home security, improved curb appeal and property value. Many homeowners report noticeable differences within days, not months, of installation. Why homeowners choose BGV Construction? BGV Construction is known not just for quality workmanship, but also for exceptional customer care. Their transparent communication, attention to detail, and respect for your home set them apart from other contractors. With BGV, you're not just getting a product, you're getting a professional experience built on trust and results. Final thoughts. Say goodbye to drafts. For good, your home should be a place of comfort, efficiency, and style. If your windows or doors are letting you down, it's time to explore what a professional replacement can offer. BGV Construction's superior window and door services are the upgrade your home deserves. Contact BGV Construction today to schedule a consultation and take the first step toward a draft-free, energy-smart home you'll love year-round.